Hello crypto lovers. We have some exciting news for you. The second week of October was a good one for crypto enthusiasts. If you missed what happened last week, this video will tell you all you need to know and gather your digital assets for the coming week. To start with, several countries held annual blockchain summits. These summits bring together the government and investors for a dialogue. They're also helped to create strategies on the recent activities. This week, the summit conferences were held in Dubai, Vietnam, and Washington, D.C., to name a few. How did the week begin? The week started looking greener and brighter than the last. Monday morning was encouraging, with the cryptocurrency market cap gaining 0.19% while the global market cap stood at $918.23 billion. Moving over to Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency traded at $19,197, which showed a slight increase of 0.28%. And although Bitcoin has consolidated around the $18,000 price level since June 2022, things started to look up for the second week of October. Some investors even started hoping it might break out above $20,000. Why the slowdown? Experts believe that the recent slowdown in Bitcoin's upward movement is because of the delayed block mining. This caused a delay in the confirmation of 13,000 transactions that halted for 85 minutes. As it goes in the cryptoverse, things took a wild turn with people trying to outsmart the law. The major highlight for this week was when a New Yorker was charged with 25 years of prison. The conviction came after he was found guilty of money laundering and operating an unlicensed money transmitting business. The money was earned in Bitcoin from illegal drug trafficking. Financial instability led Mairead McGuinness, the European Commission's Commissioner for Financial Services, to ask US politicians for new rules. According to her, devising new rules to govern the crypto industry is crucial. McGuinness also urged the need for a global framework for crypto regulation efforts. Besides that, Bitcoin earned another feather in its cap when it was added to the Guinness World Record for being the first and the oldest decentralized cryptocurrency. And we must not forget that this cryptocurrency has already been mentioned 17 times in the book entries as well as in several titles. How the week ended. As the week progressed, Bitcoin saw slight fluctuations between closing at $19,325.28 on the 18th to being traded at $19,274.84 on the 19th. And it nearly made investors clench their teeth between their tongues as the prices lowered below $19,000 on Friday. What's in store for next week? If anything, last week was a morale booster that things can turn around in a blink of an eye. The upcoming week isn't expected to be any different. However, experts hope that Bitcoin will cross $20,000 by the end of October. Unfortunately, things aren't that smooth for other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, which is at all-time low support of less than $1,200. Predictions. We already know how volatile and unpredictable overall cryptocurrency prices are, especially Bitcoin. And yet, this unpredictability is driven by four factors: supply, demand, competition and sentiment. Though the supply is limited, the demand is generally high, which creates tension among buyers and investors while upending the prices. Some might say that competition from cheaper altcoins can make Bitcoin lose its crown. And yet, there's still time before a country adopts altcoins as state currency, a feat that Bitcoin achieved after El Salvador announced BTC as state currency. Keeping all these factors in mind, it's safe to say that Bitcoin will continue its upward trend, with minor fluctuations on the way. For more, stay tuned to Video Monks because we'll be covering weekly updates for crypto fans worldwide.